Now this is you know, the the great Northwestern Railroad Swing Bridge. Now, it was built in the 1880s. Pin connected Whipple Pratt through Truss Swing Bridge. Now, I did a good job on this bridge. It's a while ago I drew this bridge, a swing bridge. And I believe it's closed shut. It used to swing open for boats and ships, and it's closed for rail traffic now. Now the construction, original or located unknown, installed in 1916. Former Camas Prairie Railroad. Now this is a Whipple through Truss swing bridge over the Clearwater River on the Great Northwest Railroad, located at Kooskia, Idaho. Now I'm gonna show you how the bridge was constructed for us, a pin-connected Whipple Pratt through Truss. Take a look at this bridge right here. You see the train is going over this bridge? But take a look at this. Take a look at it, and then you got the approach girder span. Take a look at this bridge right here, and I'm gonna show you the design of this bridge, and let me know what you think, because this, I ain't did no ruling, I ain't traced it, I'm free-handed. Now this looks good. Now I'm gonna show you right now. Now you see, look at this. Now that's the design plan. Now to show you, now there is ingenious Whipple Pratt through Truss. Now Square Whipple did a whole lot of fixed bridges, but he did vertical lift bridges too, because he worked it with, Waddell and Harrington and all that. But this is a Whipple Pratt through Truss type, a swing bridge. And then I'm gonna show you my drawing one last time. Now you see the comparison. Yes. And so this bridge is located in Kooskia, Idaho, crosses the Clearwater River.